Okay, I did it again. Got rid of the green truck, it's gone. When I came home with another Jeep, it is truly an addiction, I guess. Not really. We needed another vehicle. We needed one that got better fuel mileage because we're not going to drive the Power Wagon every single day. That's not the greatest on fuel. So I picked this up at an auction. We get it unloaded. It's a repossession. Don't know anything about it. Didn't see it in the light until today. Picked it up late last night. Got it home. I'm going to get it off here. The description said that it runs without appearing to require any major repairs and that it had loud exhaust. So we'll get it off the trailer onto the hoist and see what's up with the exhaust and see if anything major is wrong with it. All right. Okay. It's another day later, but it's up in the air and it's snowing on me. Of course, but it is exactly what I thought it was when the auction description said loud exhaust. The flex pipe is totally burned out. So I'm gonna go down to the local parts store, get one ordered up. In the meantime, I'll get this one taken off, but I'll tell you what, auction vehicle. Looks nice underneath, no rot. Lots of skid plates like you would expect under a Trailhawk. Just a really bad exhaust pipe. So I'm going to replace it from this whole section right here. It bolts on here and it clamps onto the converter pipe. And it goes all the way up to the engine, to the manifold. So got to get all this skid plate off and I'll be back after that. Okay, the 3 bolts, or the 3 nuts are off the exhaust manifold, and that pipe just fell to the ground because it was already broken off the flex pipe. I cut this mount. I'm going to cut this mount. I cut the 2 clamps. I'll hit them with a hammer, knock them loose, and I'll probably have to cut these bolts out. There's not much left, so I'm going to cut all that off and see if I can get it apart at that seam right there. Looks like somebody already doctored it up a little bit. So, here we go. Well, I got a little carried away and it was getting late, so I just wrapped right through it, but this is what it looks like. Ended up having a dent in this and it didn't want to work out right, so I cut it off, welded a new end on there, clamped it all up all nice. I think it turned out well. New, right up. Hardly see it now. But hopefully it sounds as good as it looks. That'll be the next test. Okay, it's running, it's purring. Nice and quiet. I didn't botch up that weld job, I hope. Doesn't run bad, 155,000 miles. Repossessed auction find. I think it's gonna make a good back and forth gas saver compared to the big old Power Wagon. But I'll take it on some test drives. This is also going to get a real small 2-inch lift and some more aggressive tires this spring. Right now we're gonna send it in and probably get some snow and ice tires on it. It looks like it's going to be quite the winter this year, so. But I'm happy with it so far. Let's hope it stays that way. Thanks for watching. If you guys are watching next week, there'll be something else to do. Hopefully, we start taking on the Scout.